With the groundbreaking developments in Japan, alongside the increasing likelihood of justice being removed from the balance innovation zone, Jeffrey is in a prime position to ignite a bullish rally. The way that Bananas as of late distributed a short article on the most proficient method to purchase Jasmy while they're still in the development zone is a generally excellent step, word and an extremely bullish pointer, not likewise to make reference to that Jasmy are proceeding with still to expand their reception. As of late they were lifted on Fantastic Trade, who have been about beginning around 2018 with more than 500 digital forms of money, no restrictions, no secret charges, fixed and drifting rate Jasmy. A long way from a number advancement undertaking, and I trust now that soon we see simply these skyrocket in esteem, particularly when CZ as of late expressed that Japan is a leader chief for site administrative conditions. The head of the state has affirmed that the nation intends to embrace Web3 recipe ought to have alluded to the crypto specialty as the new type of free enterprise and reward reported the send-off of a Japanese trade in August around the same time. So something extremely intriguing and furthermore exceptionally bullish for Jasmy is as the coin department states here. Assuming we add Hong Kong progression to this, it appears to be that a large portion of the crypto cordial guidelines are coming from the east at this point. This is bullish for Jasmy since Jasmy is a Japanese established cryptographic money, the very first digital currency to pass guidelines in Japan. Presently the truth will surface at some point what this move will relate and mean for Jasmy. One way or the other, we will figure out eventually whether Japan will be made accessible on Binance Japan, and moreover, at the WebEx meeting, should likewise expressed that a significant Japanese organization will report an aggressive huge scope project that will make an important financial zone in the metaverse. That could this be Jasmy? We will find out soon enough. Presently, as a last point, Houston sent a tweet out toward the start of this current year, January 18th, expressing that graphs work in a steady climate, which isn't at this moment. At this moment the monetary diagram, the market in general is extremely unstable. The ideal opportunity for political impetus has come. The long-term expressed is Russia will pass the crypto charge, the Hong Kong SEC will distribute arrangements of coins, Japanese duty changes for cryptos, G7 in dated reception and G20 in worldwide crypto guidelines. Presently we can see here reasonably as of late the G20's Monetary Security Board needs to rein in the crypto business with more tight guidelines and normalized structures. And furthermore 4 days prior after the Wave News House and furthermore tweeted that the report about crypto guidelines would be around soon to dial back the progression of assets to the crypto market as we can see here. Furthermore, the greatest aspect of this is that will be that Jasmy and most other Japanese coins are as of now managed, implying that this won't influence them truly the least bit. So like I said, Jasper is certainly not a superb situation to light its own bullish meeting. The principal factors mean to pay special attention to is whether Russia will pass the crypto bill, and we can witness that result will at the BRICS culmination in Josephburg from August 22nd to 24th, 2023 this year. Furthermore, obviously whether Binance Japan will list Jasmy. Both of these, similar to I expressed, will be revealed before the finish of August 1 month from now. And the last thing to pay special attention to is the Jasmy Q4 lockup with 97% of simply the absolute stockpile normally flowed, and this is excellent information. What's more, should this lockup go on as expected and the large whales? Also, just me, financial backers and organizations purchase up more fairly to be locked away. I accept that simply be handily could possibly soar as high as $1. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.